Right, yeah, and we had our second surgery today, and kind of briefly share quickly how the surgery went for you and how you. And
Yeah, it was actually great. Like I've placed implants before. I've actually used a guided system before. Not as easy. This was really great, and thanks to Jin, he made it seamless. It's really very precise. Like I mean, it's just great, and you don't have to worry about irrigation and all the mess of water, and it's just beautiful. It's very quick in the sense of like once you know the patient, you just follow the recipe and everything looks perfect. I'm very happy that Jen came to my office and introduced me to the system. We've done 4 implants, and so far it's been great. I just saw my first one that I did. I saw him for post-op, and he's feeling wonderful.
Great.
It's been great.
All right.